What do I do if I've been hit by a drunk driver? If I'm in a car accident with a drunk driver, can I sue him? How do I find a lawyer to help if I've been hit by someone who had a DUI? These and other questions are probably top of mind for you right now, and I'm happy to talk through them with you. My name is Jess Gooding, and I'm an attorney here at the Goings Law Firm. When a drunk driver causes an accident, there's a good chance you have a strong case. There's a lot you'll need to know and a lot you'll need to do. First, and this is important, understand that the civil case is separate from the criminal case. Even if the state prosecutes the drunk driver for a DUI, that's a criminal matter. The state versus the defendant. Your personal injury claim is a civil matter. That's you versus the driver. You don't have to wait for the criminal case to resolve before you file your lawsuit. And the outcome of the criminal case doesn't determine yours. The thing to remember is that these are two separate cases, and this is why hiring a civil lawyer like myself to help you pursue the civil case can be so important. Second, understand that negligence in a drunk driving case is not always as straightforward as you might think. Driving under the influence is illegal, of course, and if the driver was intoxicated and caused your accident, then yes, that is negligence, of course. But we have to investigate things like who provided the alcohol? Is there a relevant dram shop case that we ought to potentially bring against a bar that might have gotten the person who hit you drunk? These and other similar questions are things that we ask and investigate early on when we're trying to understand who all should be held accountable in your DUI case. And here's a third thing to understand. If you're wondering how DUI cases in South Carolina work, South Carolina law allows punitive damages in the DUI cases, and that can change the math pretty substantially because those punitive damages can be substantial themselves, sometimes multiples of your actual damages. That's a game changer in recovery and is important more broadly to the public policy of our state too, because we always want to send a message that here in our community, driving under the influence is absolutely unacceptable behavior. A drunk driving case is serious and it's emotional. You might be dealing with a horrible new normal that you and your family never expected and never asked for. We believe that in cases like this, you deserve representation that knows what you're going through. A lawyer who has seen this kind of thing many times before and has walked alongside numerous other individuals and families who have lived the same life that you're living now. It's up to you who you hire, of course, and you should be thoughtful and careful to make sure you don't just take your case to some billboard lawyer or TV lawyer who won't give you the time and attention you deserve. If you want my personal advice or you want to talk through things with me or another attorney in my office, we'd be happy to speak with you, look into your life, and be a listening ear for what you're going through right now. Call or text anytime at 803-350-9230.